Are you tired of repetitive tasks eating up your time? Looking for a way to streamline your work and boost efficiency? Enter n8n, the powerful workflow automation tool that revolutionizes the way individuals and businesses handle automation. n8n is a visual, no-code/low-code automation platform that enables users to connect various applications and data sources effortlessly. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a developer, or a business owner, n8n helps you automate complex workflows with ease. With its highly customizable interface, n8n offers flexibility and control over workflows. Unlike many automation tools, n8n allows for self-hosting, giving users the ability to manage data securely while complying with specific regulatory needs. Let's explore its key features and why it stands out. n8n is designed to handle simple and complex processes seamlessly. With advanced features like branching, merging, and iteration, you can create workflows that fit your unique requirements. Whether you're automating a small daily task or a large-scale operation, n8n adapts to your needs. Automation is all about responsiveness, and n8n shines in this area. The platform leverages webhooks and event triggers to initiate workflows, ensuring they react to real-time external events. This makes n8n perfect for time-sensitive processes like customer notifications, data syncing, and social media updates. Want to integrate artificial intelligence into your workflows? n8n enables AI-powered automations, allowing you to connect chatbots, machine learning models, and data analysis tools. This opens the door for smarter and more efficient business operations. For those who prefer custom scripting, n8n supports JavaScript and Python for enhanced control and customization. The ability to integrate scripts directly into workflows provides endless possibilities for developers looking to fine-tune their automation. Unlike many cloud-based automation tools, n8n provides a self-hosting option. This is a game changer for businesses that need enhanced security and control over their operations. Whether you're dealing with sensitive data or regulatory constraints, self-hosting ensures that you maintain complete ownership of your automation processes. n8n offers 350+ integrations with popular applications and services, enabling users to connect multiple platforms effortlessly. From CRM and social media tools to databases and cloud services, n8n's integrations allow for a truly connected workflow. A powerful tool is only as good as its support system. n8n boasts a vibrant community and extensive documentation, making it easy to learn, troubleshoot, and expand your automation skills. Still wondering how you can use n8n? Here are some real-world applications: automate email campaigns, create email sequences based on LinkedIn interactions to reach your audience more effectively. Monitor WooCommerce orders, keep track of subscription orders and automatically send Telegram messages for failed payments. Generate and distribute reports, automate the creation of business reports and send them via email or Microsoft Teams. Perform web scraping, extract data from websites and perform HTTP requests effortlessly. Import from curl, seamlessly transfer data using curl for enhanced automation workflows. If you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and developer-friendly automation tool, n8n is an excellent choice. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or developer, n8n empowers you to automate like never before. Want to get started? Head over to n8n.io and explore the world of workflow automation today. Thank you for exploring mastering workflow automation with n8n, the ultimate guide with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.